Good morning, Class 5. For GPS today, we're going to be looking at relative pronouns, and using these will help you in your writing. So, a relative pronoun can describe people, things, places, or abstract ideas. They can also be used to join parts of a complex sentence, which then uses a relative clause. So we've got some examples of relative pronouns on the screen. We've got that, whom, whose, who, and which. They are the most common relative pronouns, and it's really important that you use the correct one for the correct context. So we're going to have a look at that now. So you would use who if you are referring to a person. You would use which if you are referring to a thing. You can use when if you are referring to a time or a time period. Where when you are referring to a place. Whose, which is the possessive form of who. And that can also be used to refer to people or things. So that could be used instead of who or instead of which. And it's really important that you know which one to use. So you can have a look at a couple of examples now. You need to identify the relative pronoun in the sentence. And I'll give you about 10 seconds to identify what it is. Sophia, who likes to play the piano, passed her exam. So which word in the sentence is a relative pronoun? Okay, well done if you said who. Okay, what I would like you to do now is complete your GPS task that is in your book, in your pack, sorry, and then we will get ready for your English lesson. Okay, your English today, you are going to be writing an interview. So you're going to imagine that you are an interviewer. What questions would you ask the lighthouse keeper about what happened? If you've forgotten what happened in the video and you need to watch it again, just pause this video and pop the other one on for now. So what questions would you ask the lighthouse keeper? Could be, how did you feel when this happened? Why couldn't you get the cogs to work again? How did you feel when you saw the ship coming towards you? So what I suggest you do, write down lots of questions that you've got whirling around in your head at the moment so that you can use those for your interview. Okay, so some that I was thinking of. How did you feel when you heard the wind? What happened to make you close the window so forcefully? When you couldn't fix the cogs, what was going through your mind? So these are all the questions that you will ask in the interview. Okay. So we'll have a look at how we could answer the one that we've got on the board. So when you couldn't fix the cogs, what was going through your mind? So we're answering as if we are the lighthouse keeper. So it could be, I was getting so frustrated with myself. I'd never not been able to fix the cogs before. Why now? Okay. Let's have a look at the other one. What happened to make you close the window so forcefully? So if you remember in the video, he was trying to write a letter and he could hear the people outside cheering and they were distracting him. So it could be, oh, why has that gone up there? There we go. Oh, the villagers were being so loud and distracting me. I had a very important letter that I needed to finish. To be honest, I didn't mean to close it so forcefully. It was just very windy. Okay, and then we'll have a look at how did you feel when you heard the wind? It had been a really stormy night. I was quite scared, actually. Okay, so think about how you could answer your questions. Okay, so you can end the video here and you can complete your English task for today.